You get what I'm saying? So inferiority complex yakazobva pakuti munhu mutema ane mari yaanofunga kuti haakodzere kubata muupenyu. Pakauya forex muno vanhu vairamba $100 vachitya kubirwa vaida madhora. People forget that the richest person to ever live on earth was Mansa Musa, an African from Ethiopia, because he was directly connected to the resources of his country. So Varungu discovered that once we allow blacks to have a direct relationship with their resources, the richest person on earth will be a black person. And now they drew a line. Because on under soft life, takaparidzirwa soft life, rugare rwacho rwepanyika soft life, white collar job, where munoiswa muoffice on the tertiary side of things. Primary, mining and stuff, you are not allowed there. And because you are smart, undakuenda kubasa ne white shirt, hauditsvina. But tell you what, when ZANU-PF came to power, advanced nyaya dze-black empowerment. Munhu ane the biggest gold producing mine, ari munhu mutema, anotadza nekuita millionaire. Because the same industry yaitisa mari varungu ndoirisa vanhu vatema. Growing up taiziva BP, Mobil neShell, multinational companies ekunana France nekunana Italy nekunana Britain ndo vaisa fuel muno. But we managed to defeat monopoly. Now there are black people. So what fails the biggest fuel supplier in Zimbabwe from being a billionaire?
Nothing.
And the moment that person becomes a billionaire because of skin,
it's problematic.
Agaromba, imbava. So who must be a billionaire? What in Zimbabwe, we are economy, a 10 billion economy, but you don't want your people to be billionaires. As if a billionaire or millionaire terms are associated with skin, with race. No, they are not. So thieves are everywhere. I can tell you about the people who owns maybe Chicken Inn. How many business they are doing? That's a business. In business, you can do anything, but no one speaks about them being Zigananda, Panantor, about them doing monopoly and stuff. But because of the skin color. So we must do away with that inferiority complex where we feel like isusu tinofanda kuperera kuma 1,000 chero kuma 100. And also jealous among people. So when you hear the president or the vice president saying personal corruption, imbofunga corruption inoitwa yekuti kombi inopfuura paroadblock ine vanhu 35 ichifanira kutakura 18 munosiya $5. Corruption inotokosta upenyu hwevanhu. Why are we ignoring all that and target billionaires?
It's okay. I think due to time, we will need another episode to discuss about the inferiority complex that we have as blacks and other issues to do with Zigananda. I know time is running out. We're running out of time, but I would have done the show or Zimbabwe a disservice if we do not talk about your social media escapades. You know, these are contentious issues, and the people would want to know. Yeah, you have started the politics Mubazi. It needs another episode on its own. But here I'm narrowing down to your recent comments about the NAMA Awards.